In this video, we're going to show an alternative and cheaper way to unclog a kitchen sink rather than using expensive chemicals that may be harmful to the environment or having to call the even more expensive plumber. Before watching the video, don't forget to click our subscribe button below to be notified whenever we release a new video. We have all had this problem. You go to let the dirty water out of your kitchen sink and it will not drain. Or the water starts to go and then stops. We all know what's happened. Yes, it's blocked. Clogged up with muck from those dirty dishes. It happens a lot. Usually because most of us do not have a cleaning routine to clear the sink of fat and food that builds up over time and blocks up the plumbing. When you look at the food waste that goes down the sink, it's not surprising that it gets clogged. Time to call the plumber? No. Go out and buy chemicals? No. These chemicals usually have high doses of acid in them and can be dangerous, causing breathing problems as well as burning the skin. So now we can deal with this ourselves and save lots of money. We are now going to show you a cheap way to unclog that sink using a natural ingredient remedy: hot water and salt. Firstly, get half a cup of salt and put it directly down the waste drain hole in the sink. Measure out 2 liters, or 3.5 pints of water, and boil in a saucepan or kettle, and pour directly down the sink while the water is still hot. Be very careful when doing this. Safety precautions should be taken to avoid burning or scalding. The abrasive texture of the salt will react on any fat or muck sticking to the waste pipe. Now boil the same amount of water and add 2 teaspoons of washing up dish detergent and pour down the sink. This method is a great home remedy for drain cleaning and should be carried out on a regular basis to avoid any further problems. If you have any tips for unclogging plumbing pipework around the house, please leave your comments below. Thanks.